Hey Nancy, thanks for the opportunity to do this quick little screencast video for you. I just wanted to show you a few tips and tricks to help your guys' website and online presence. So the three tips that I want to talk about today is just your content, backlinks, and citations. So when when anybody search for landscapers in Santa Ana, the keyword that they're gonna phrase that they're gonna search for most likely is something like this: landscaper Santa Ana, landscaping Santa Ana, landscaping services, keywords like that. And when they do, this is what you're going to see on Google's first page. So you're going to see this map pack, and it's got different landscaping businesses there. And then you come down here, and these are all the organic listings. So Google is just a big popularity contest. Google wants to see who's got the most keywords, who's got the most content, who's got the most backlinks, like who's the most popular. So when it comes down to here, these organic listings, what you want to have to be here is the content and the backlinks section or portion. So to get that content, Google is looking for around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content to be labeled as an authority in Google's eyes. So we jump on your website. You got great images, great layout. Everything is super user friendly. The only thing with this is I highlighted all your words and content and threw it in this word counter, and you guys are only bringing up 150 words. So there's definitely room to grow and room to throw in a bunch of more keywords and more content, so that when Google's robots are crawling the web and these websites, they see a lot of keywords and a lot of landscaping info on this homepage instead of just the 148 words, because they'll easily go through your website and move on to some of the bigger websites like Bill and Dave's. Now these guys are on the number one page. Even these guys, they only have about 600 words of content. I threw theirs in the word counter as well. They had like 624, I think. So there's definitely room to beat out this competition. So that's content. Now the second thing to get down here is your backlinks. So backlinks are just other websites that are referencing back to your website, to Los Gatos Landscape. So this is a tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs. It's got just kind of everything all in one place about a website. It's got the backlinks, the referring domains, how many keywords there are, the traffic that it brings. So this is Bill and Dave's. Bill and Dave's, they were, once you get past all the Yelp and Angie's List and all that, they were pretty close to the top. Brightview, that's like a big not international, but national landscaping company. So they have just this huge, ridiculous website. Bill and Dave's is a little more local. I mean, they still service a lot of areas, but not as big as Brightview here. So going back to Ahrefs, I pulled up Bill and Dave's information, and when we're talking about backlinks, they have 208 backlinks. So they're listed 208 times on 58 different websites. So that could be, another landscaper referencing back to Bill and Dave, saying, "Oh, Bill and Dave does pavers really well. Hit them up for pavers," things like that. So when you go to Los Gatos Landscape, you guys have 34 domains, so about what was it? So 24 shy of Bill and Dave's, and a couple hundred less backlinks. So you guys can easily beat out the competition of Bill and Dave's with, you know, a few more referring domains and a couple hundred more backlinks. So that is backlinks and content. Will get you up in these top sections, and at least for sure this top first page of Google. Now, this map pack gives you another opportunity to be seen on the first page. So this has to do with citations. The more citations you have and the more quality citations you have, the more likely you're going to be top 3 on this map pack. And citations are just your business name, address, and phone number scattered across the internet as many times as you can. That's getting into local directories, getting into Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce, Yahoo, like I said, any local directory that you can, you know, whether that's like local California directory or whatever it may be. So the more you have, the more quality ones you have, the more likely you are to take one of these top spots. So you'll be seen as, you know, Los Gatos landscape up here, and then you have the opportunity or potential to also be seen here, which doubles your chances of someone clicking on your business when they come looking for landscapers in Santa Ana, California. Anyway, so those are just 3 tips that I wanted to share with you. You can totally do them on your own, semi easy, and there's some free websites out there that you can get to help you out. If you have any questions, let me know, and if you could just give me some feedback on this video or what I can do better, that would be awesome. But thanks again for this opportunity, and I hope you like it.